Yeah, diamond chart pattern. This is Gala USD, and it's Sunday morning. But I'm just looking at this, thinking, is that a diamond? I know it looks a bit like more of a, see the white dotted lines there. It looks more like an Apollo time capsule. I don't know, Apollo capsule there. So I'd say this is a diamond bottom. So it's a bullish signal, trend reversal signal, right? So there's the overall trend. Hang on, is it often hanging? So here we go in the daily. Is this something to consider? What am I doing? Am I looking in the right time frame? Have I just based this off absolute hokum? Gala. So there was that the diamond formation. Because you have this little burst of activity here, and I feel like an absolute bloody sausage now. Yeah, these things are supposed to happen in a lower time frame, and I'm wondering if this was it, and it's come and burst out, and we've missed it. Absolute sausage, you sausage. But if a person was looking maybe on a 4 hour chart, it has happened, and I've seen some much more experienced people go for this. I'm going to go for this as a diamond to trade. So there's a bit of a rare one, happens during times of offer downtrend, times of uncertainty, certainly in the apex of triangle formations. In the apex is clearly there in the big trends. Come down a very long way, like 60% or something, a huge amount going beyond there since November. And the diamond pattern, apparently it's, people researching are saying it's an advanced chart formation, but what do they mean by advanced? Is that just advanced at the end of time? Advanced skill? It's just drawing lines on there. And it's one that is less well known to, technical chart analysis because it just doesn't happen that often. Many traders might not be familiar with the structure or the application of the trading. And it's important to look at some of the specifics to recognition of these patterns and being able to trade them. The diamond formation, it's definitely part of that classical family of chart patterns. But unlike the more frequently seen flags, pennants, the sort of more rectangular patterns, perhaps, this happens at far less frequency on any price chart. As such, there are not so many opportunities to trade the diamond chart pattern. Nevertheless, technical traders should become familiar with the pattern. Provides a solid opportunity when it is recognised early enough, apparently. The diamond chart pattern is often confused with a head and shoulders pattern. That's understandable. I'm seeing that here because people would have this as a sort of shoulder. Oh, fuck off, cunt. There. So they would have that as shoulders there, but it's not quite legit, eh? Obviously the head's through there. Looks like something naughty now. A church and a hill. Occurs most often at the end of a prolonged trend phase. When it occurs within the context of a bullish market, the pattern is referred to as a diamond top or bearish diamond pattern due to its bearish implication. It's about to pivot from top is a trend indicator, a trend reversal indicator. It's going from top to bottom. Inversely, when it occurs within the context of a bearish market, the pattern is referred to as a diamond bottom or a bullish diamond pattern. Yeah, so if it's a bottom, it's finding out, getting that level and getting ready to move up. So it's bullish if it's moving up. The implication is clear. It's moving up. It's bullish. Reversal. Let's take a closer look at the what it is, and I'm just looking at some of the details here. So it's about the price action comes down, and yeah, there you go. Price action come down, making a bottom, top, bottom. It's not. It's just come up there, made a bottom down there. So I'm not too clear about this one. It's a bit sketchy, a bit dirty, a bit shady. Feel a bit jaded on this. It's not perfect by any means. It's more of an approximate diamond, and the less perfect something is in some ways, the more difficult it becomes to trade. But the vague shape, to me, does give an indicator of what might happen. What might happen. So you've got the left shoulder and the head forms a trend line, or the shoulders form a trend line with the head. You've got a couple of touches on there, and that's clear through there. It's got about on the lower half, though, it's connecting the swing lows. Just those two little bits are a bit out of it for me. Going up through there, and even readjusting, it would come down through there. And then across again, connected up. It's sort of vaguely there, really. So yeah, the breakout is measured from top to bottom on there. It's the simple top to bottom. Already got that placed in. Yeah, top to bottoms more or less. Okay, shifting that across. So you're going to go from there. Somewhere wait for the breakout, get above that 236. Is this a place to place the stop loss at the apex of the candle? Just had a slight breakout there, placing the stop loss at the candle at the apex of the diamond, or diamond-ish. Is that the way to go? Going to wait and see how this plays out. A level of uncertainty and doubt in my mind is too much to trade at the moment. Has we come up? Is this it? Is this the breakout? Big volume in there. Big volume. Big volume in there. We'll see. And it's just fallen off. The sell, not a big amount of volume with the red. We'll see what's happening with